what if I told you mechanics are out here bathing engines in kerosene? Not soap, not water, but literal fuel. Sounds insane, right? But there's method to the madness. Kerosene melts away sludge, carbon gunk, and years of engine grime like magic, even in the tightest nooks. But here's where it gets wild. One wrong splash and boom, your rubber seals and plastic bits start deteriorating like they owed kerosene money. So yeah, it works, but it's like cleaning with a loaded weapon. One slip and you're paying the price.